Yeah, I like eating like that. I said I like working like that.
I said I like living like that.
Now I like fruits, I like veggies, I like running, I like jumping, I like all my healthy meals. Where's my pan? Now I'm cooking.
I like spending time with family, I ain't worried about the clock.
I like doing all these things cause healthy living rock.
I like making healthy choices even when it's hard to do.
I like proving people wrong, maybe they can do it too.
As a 4-H member, never fall.
Cause I'm healthy living, y'all, making healthy choices. That's how we use our voices.
I like eating like that.
I said I like working like that. I said I like living like that.